Did you ever do it?
No, you gotta pour it on the spoon.
What is that?
Cinnamon. Huh? I'm gonna tell your mama if I do it, I'm coming over there.
Oh.
Put it on your spoon.
I'm just about to sing. I'm gonna do it.
Let's spread it.
I'm doing it.
Which pen? Taste it. Taste it, bro.
Oh, be quiet.
Taste it. Just taste it.
Cinnamon nasty.
Just taste it. Taste it, bro.
Don't do that. No, you gotta have a spoonful. You cheating. You might want to go over the seat. I mean, the sink. It's gonna come back out your mouth.
Wait, you tell your mama.
Mama.
No, you're not.
Go ahead.
I'm not scared.
Then swallow it.
Go ahead.
Swallow it.
You cheated. You can't.
You're not supposed to spit it out.
I throw my milk.
We finna do lasagna.